Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MyPhone N23 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad and let's enter with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and a serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK. Now let me show you another code which is actually pretty similar to the previous one, and usually it should open regulatory labels. However, in my case, for some reason, it does not work, but I'm pretty sure that it will work in your case. So it is *#07#. And there we've got regulatory labels. However, as you can see, I've got some problems with that. Alright, so the next code will open the diagnostic information. It is *#426#*#. And here we've got the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view, just tap on it and tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got much more information. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu. It is *#4636#*#. And there we've got the testing mode, so we can check the phone info, usage statistics and Wi-Fi info. So let's tap on it, for example, then we can check the API configuration and the status. After refreshing the stats, we can check the network state, SSID or network ID. We can also run ping tests here. Let's go back, usage statistics, so the list of apps and all the processes which are on this device. You can sort them by usage time or the last time used or app name. And the phone information, so you can check the info just like the email number, car network, voice service, signal strength. However, be aware that you will be able to check this information only if you've got the SIM card inserted. I do not have one, that's why I do not have information. You can tap on the three dots icon and check enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. Let's go back and let me show you the last code. *#225#*##. And here we've got the calendar info, so here we can check the events which are gathered in one place. Here we've got some family events, holidays in your country, and events attached to your mail. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.